These AI animal haircut videos are going viral right now. And I'm not exaggerating. Some creators are getting millions of views per video. And the most surprising part is this: these videos take only a few minutes to create. In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to create your own viral animal hair transformation videos from scratch, even if you have no prior experience. Make sure you watch until the end, because I'll also show you how to make your videos more engaging so viewers can't scroll past them. Step 1, generating your ideas and prompts, the brain behind the magic. First, head over to ChatGPT and open the Explore GPT section. In the search bar, type Animal Haircut Generator. Click on it, then select Start Chat. Once the interface opens, click on Start Generator. You'll now be presented with a simple interface where you'll be asked to choose the type of animal you want to transform, for example, lion, dog, cat. The hairstyle you want to apply, for example, curtains, afro, fade. For this tutorial, we'll be using a goat and an undercut hairstyle. Once you've made your selections, click Generate. Within a few seconds, the system will provide 2 high-quality image prompts, .1 video prompt for generating your animation. Now you may notice that the video prompt is designed for Seedance 2.0, which is a paid platform. To adjust this for a free alternative, type this instruction: I need the same result in 4 image prompts and 3 transitional video prompts for VO 3.1 Lite. Then click Generate again. The system will now provide 4 detailed image prompts, 3 video transition prompts. Pro tip: take your time with this step. The quality of your prompts plays a major role in how realistic and viral your final video will be. If you're finding this helpful so far, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Step 2, generating your images, bringing your idea to life. Next, copy your first image prompt and head over to your image generation platform. For this tutorial, I'll be using the Flow website. Click on New Project. Wait for the interface to load. Set your aspect ratio to 9:16, perfect for Shorts or TikTok. Set your output quality to 2. Select your model, in this case Nano Banana 2. Now paste your prompt into the prompt box and click Generate. Give it a moment. You should get a clean, detailed animal portrait with realistic lighting, texture and structure, creating consistent transformations. To generate the second image, select your best first image. Set it as your reference image to maintain consistency. Now paste your prompt into the prompt box and click Generate. Give it a moment, and here we have our image. You'll notice the difference. Like this, images generated without a reference vary a little from images generated with a reference. Maintain better consistency and realism. Now repeat the same process. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the third image, prompt. Upload your reference image again. Paste the prompt and click Generate. Finally, copy the fourth image prompt. Keep all your settings the same, generate the final image. At this point, you should now have 4 consistent images showing a smooth transformation sequence. Step 3, turning your images into a video. Now it's time to convert your images into a video. On the Flow platform, click on the Video Generation section. Set your video to frame, output to 1. Set image 1 as the start frame while set image 2 as the end frame. Now go back to ChatGPT. Copy the first video. Prompt, paste it into the Flow prompt bar, click Generate and wait a few moments. Once it's ready, preview your result. If you're satisfied, click Download to save it to your device. Creating video 2, repeat the same process. Start frame, image 2, end frame, image 3. Copy the second video prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Flow, and click Generate. Download your video once it's ready. Creating video 3. Again, repeat the process. Start frame image 3, end frame image 4. Copy the third video prompt, paste it into Flow, and generate your final clip. Step 4. Editing your final video. For this tutorial, I'll be using CapCut. Import all your video clips, arrange them in order on the timeline, add background music to enhance engagement. Make any final adjustments if needed. Now play your video and watch your complete transformation sequence come to life. And that's it, your full workflow for creating viral animal haircut videos using AI. As you can see, the process is simple, fast, and beginner friendly. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and drop a comment below